Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Matt with I Edit Podcast, and today I want to talk to you about compressors. So, if you don't know exactly what a compressor is or what it does, it's basically a tool that allows you to even out your audio a little bit more. So, the highest peaks of your audio and the lowest valleys of your audio kind of get brought together and smoothed out a little bit more. So, generally, when it comes to compressors, there are 5 parameters. There's the threshold, the ratio, the attack, the release, and the makeup gain. So, with a lot of these parameters, there's a lot to get into, more than I would like to in this video. So, today we're just going to be covering the ratio. So, how a compressor works is basically you set a threshold, and any audio that goes above that threshold is going to be affected by this compressor, or the audio is going to be cut down. So the ratio is how quickly that audio is going to get cut down. So if you have your ratio set at 4:1, that audio, any audio that goes above that threshold is going to get cut down by a division of 4. So generally, when you are editing dialogue or podcasts like this, you want your ratio to be set at about 3:1 or 4:1, maybe 5:1 if it's bad enough, or you could go all the way up to 6:1. But the higher you go, the more unnatural it's going to sound, the more kind of boxy it's going to sound. So I hope this kind of gives you a better idea of what a compressor is and what it does and how to utilize it more effectively. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.